By 2026, there will be two types of professionals: those who've mastered AI and those struggling to stay relevant. That's not a warning. That's reality already showing up. AI isn't coming, it's here. And the way we work, learn, and compete, it's being rewritten faster than any of us expected. Now, if I had to start learning AI from scratch today, knowing what I know now, this is exactly the path I'd follow, step by step. And no, you don't need to be technical. You just need to be intentional. So let's keep it simple. I'm going to walk you through a 3-level roadmap that covers how to talk to AI effectively, how to use it to solve problems, and how to position yourself as someone who directs, not just reacts to, this new era. Let's start with the first one. Level 1, learn to communicate with AI. Think of this as digital literacy 2.0. Just like you once had to learn to type or send an email, now you've got to learn how to ask AI for what you want. But most people don't do this well. They say something like, "Write me a business idea," and they get back a vague, messy answer that's totally unusable. The problem isn't the tool, it's the prompt. So, what works better? Let's say you're a retired teacher who wants to start a tutoring business. Instead of just saying, "Give me a business idea," you tell AI, "Act like a business consultant. I'm a retired teacher who wants to earn extra income helping kids with learning disabilities. Give me 3 business ideas that I can start online with under $1,000 in startup costs." See the difference? You're giving context. You're telling it who to pretend to be, and you're narrowing the result you want. Do that consistently, and you'll get 10x better results from any AI tool. So here's your challenge for this week. Start collecting your own cheat sheet of prompts that work. Keep a little folder with the ones that gave you useful results, because the more specific you get, the more powerful AI becomes. Level 2, use AI to solve real problems. Now that you know how to talk to AI, the next step is learning to use it on purpose. Here's a simple framework I use. What tasks do I repeat every week? Which of those feel time-consuming or annoying? Could I hand part of that over to AI? Let me give you examples. You write emails to clients every day, have AI draft your first version, you just edit. You brainstorm social media posts, tell AI your brand, your product, your tone, and ask for 10 ideas. You plan lessons or meetings, ask AI to structure them for you, even suggest icebreakers or questions. This is where most people unlock aha moments, because AI goes from being a toy to being a tool. So the next time you're about to start a task, pause for 10 seconds and ask yourself, could AI help me get 80% of this done? You'll be surprised how often the answer is yes. Level 3, think like a strategist, not just a user. This is where the real career advantage kicks in, because eventually, most people will know how to use AI, but few will know how to think with it. You want to be the person who sees opportunity before others do, not the one reacting after it's too late. So here's what I recommend. Start looking at your field or industry and ask, what are the big bottlenecks people always complain about? What's tedious, repetitive, or expensive? Where do people say, I wish there were a faster way to do this? That's where AI fits in. That's where you come in, with a solution. You don't need to build the app. You just need to see the opportunity and connect the dots. A few strategic skills to build here. Problem framing. Can you describe the problem in a clear way that AI can help with? Quality control. Do you know how to tell if the AI's output is good or total nonsense? Communication. Can you explain the value of using AI to someone else? Start practicing these by doing small experiments. Pick a problem, try to solve it with AI, and document what worked. Then share it. Even if it's just with a colleague or a LinkedIn post, that feedback loop will accelerate your growth.